Hello, abusuafo, mama kwaba ewo Bronze Line Media. Ahaye Bronze Line Media. Eye munu ya ba prekope ena me kasai. Mema munyina akwaba ewo Bronze Line Media. Aha yeka nana kwa me ho asem. Ene mapa ene sani opese Ghana yede hyane nsa. Opese ode kronu ekro. Eno ho asem ne yekan wo Bronze Line Media nti aha na nakwa me ho asem ana yekan ne first time I wo hwe me a misrawa subscribe to my channel no na fe like button no so any call button no so bell no we me aso abusuafo ene Tuesday December 3rd. Aka emreketu bi. Na Ghana ye to aba ne ye Tuesday December 7th. Ni amunu aba me pesa me ne mo ehye ne se. Moma yenhwe niema eye na Ghana fo ye mo modern ye to aba ema na nakwa me bedi akon. Every say Nana Kwame bedi akumbesi akonwa isu anaze wo bedi Ghana president ya. Obatutu niema ye ode niema beko ye Ghana befa ne ntoma pa efra. Abusuafo mum yenhwe sania Nana Kwame osi dressing nation couple days ago. And someone wo okeka ye anase sania wosi prane ne niema egule da bia tenase ewodemu prane ansana odi na agenda abeto abontene Nana Kwame ye hwane sane wosi ya ne niema ni bibia aye plan ansana obeba abontene abedress nation aso wabeka bibi no timu se wa shara tenase aprana keka niema sisi animu nsama wo kan nyina so ye nokre abusuafo munu ya bani mumma modina yanyina yan supportu Nana Kwame bedi akon Nana Kwame bedi akon beboa oman Ghana Nana Kwame se wo besisu a Ghana fo yenko bolosika ni ye de besiesie yaman Nana Kwame eni kwansa Ghana ye bolosika ansana ye de siesie yaman ya wajapade bebre nyankopon de achayen ya wanima pi nyankopon de achayen ye betimi asiesie yaman e wo mra yenkwa bobosia minu yanom me maame ne me papa me wofa mo me brother mo me sister mo ye mamo a mo hwe me pa mo chaw Nana Kwame bedi akon afi mo momode na mo fa ne si akonwa yisu na beboa yen abeboa o man Ghana Ubekwa school awie na adwuma wunya bi nye Ubekwa school awie na wabetena fie Anyanyam bia sabi school na ukọ na mfa so ben ene wo so Ghana fo me nhwe niema bi ye Wakọ school awie wunya adwuma ye kuro mu se ye benye adwuma ya mosu no kire ye kwa abontene ye tukwan ekwa abontene nya adwuma aye ni aya me pese mbisa ne se omo na de se omo antutu wo mo niema wo mo akwan mu anka adwuma ebe wo mu kuro so ama yen yatumi atukwan akonya bia ye sani omo ye no na sani yen so yebetumi aye bi wo ye kurom enti mi maame no mo papa mo misra mo especially dwemfo ma yes na Akufo-Addo odi free education aba ama ebinimu anasa mo ho atomo nanso kura mo ho ntomo every free education na mo kwa mo mane kwa hwaniema mo toto hwaniema pa ye de mo ebi kura ye unnecessary sasa niema no mbeje omo gidi akoye den enso hwaniema ka mo bo de na kire say ye free education de ba de pa na kire se free education no enie ati se na mutu school fees afa nso na nye free keke musika mo ye transfer ni ade mo taxi na mutua no ene ne netua sa school fees no amuntua no enti school na nkwala no kwa number 1 ye free utua ho ka na wunhunu anyway ye good sa wode aba bayan san hwa ade bi wode anu na ba no wo ma no ko school ni wi a awo so san to awo mo so da bia ba to awo mo so no college na university na enye free afenso kro mo wie university na college no adwuma kro mo nya bi nye no mo sen ya betena fie enti na education na anase school no mo koye no enyanyam bia mfa so ban ene wo so sanyame ani wadoma mo wantumi anya kwan ne wantu kwan anko Ghana sorry abrochira abrochiman mu a na wotena Ghana ho a omo universities awie no colleges awie no percentage dodo wasan no monye adwuma ye e wo Ghana krodue no enso sanana kwa me besi so a enwuma be obebiebie enwuma be bakuro nom ya mane ne ya nuamo no mu wie school a eni kwan so mutu kwan ko obi man so ekodi boboy ekoya nkwasom ansana omonya adwuma abrochi mamu anye yize especially so we tuntumu a enti na nyasa oba wie school na why happy say ebia wanya abrochire no wokọ ono abakọ abrochi obakọ akoduru obehunu de ne etue mu ya maame mu ya papa mu mommo mmodin na mo sesa mo nsa no na to so mienu mamu mfa party enkoto aba mamu mfa party nto aba mu amu misa mo ho se party amatu umodi akira to aba to NDC MPP anyanyam bia mfa so dodo asan ne monya afiri mu emfa so pa monya afiri mu ene se mon count NDC ebetena so a emfa so ban pa na monya afiri mu damage monhwe ye hospitals ni awra kokura ne so obatan kura ekwo a otumi ekwa wo fom empakura ye de ne beto sukura bi ni ho abusuafo mummi anhwa niam bi ye na HSS so se hwan no education free na nado ede baaye no enye enoa na enoa enye enoa na enoa efri se so kwasa school no kura wie no wanto aso a atisania school no wanko ukwa college na university wie na chese wabo degree minuanom especially youth for no mon sole na mon ka bibi nso nkyira mo maame na mo papa mo na mon ka bibi enkyira wo mo na the same time no mon sole na mon support freedom na kwa me bedi akon Ghana for mo mayan keka ya hu ni se ya hwere sa wo wura ya enia ma befa ya se mamu mayan fa party nto aba mamu mayan fa party nto aba kura mo amu mi emisa ya hu se apart from education free na nado de bae dia pa na Ghana ho wa ya ma yempie mu a sabie tumpon abusuafo menkasa ma mekasa nwapi muma yankwatie na kwa mi ono ananum asem a wo ka se obesi so ana se Ghana ni kwan se yakobo bosia ne ye de asiesie yaman wo de mo amuntie ono ananum asem muntie mfiri ono ananum
companies like or imperialists who support companies like Ashanti Goldfields. You might never know who the owner is because it says Ashanti Goldfields or Goldfields or many other fields. They all amount to trillions of dollars when you go back just 40 years, 4 decades. In 8 to 9 regions, this amount of wealth has been extracted. We decided to do a bit of research and not investigate them, but it's public information to find out more. How are these people surviving and investing in our country and digging a hole, cracking a mountain, taking all the gold out and not even covering it? I'm sure you saw it in my presentation for the Galamsey Part 2 video. who is sponsoring them. I realize that most of these companies are also getting fund from financial institutions like IMF. My vision, my mission is to write off our debt with IMF, because we don't need to owe them, but we can simply have, and not to say that we don't want any foreigner to also mine here, but we just don't want any foreigner to extract from here, and we don't get the skill set. That's why we're still washing our waters with sand, looking for gold crumbs. Why? The top people, they go straight to the rock, determine where the gold is, put the machines up, cut, and take the value out straight away. When we try to get value, we destroy the whole country. This tells me that we don't have the skill set, and our mindset for creating wealth is still slavery. You can see it there, because we are digging the soil and washing it with our hands. They are using machines to excavate, to crack into our stones. I stand here today because industrialization is the only way out for us as a nation to build ourselves. If we don't put this in place, and I don't just have to be president to do that, but I'm already on a mission to make sure that this is accomplished for Ghana and for the rest of African countries. We live by machines. We wake up in the morning and iron our clothes with machines. We are on the phone, it's a machine. We drive to work, it's a machine. None of these machines that we can build, and none of these machines that we are using. Over the tour in the 276, I realized that the most markets were on the roadside, and the most businesses were in the bush, where someone is excavating or moving the earth and extracting the wealth that we go back to either the IMFs or the World Bank to borrow for our economy. Well, Ghana, I'd like to say this to you before I come to an end with my closing remarks, that we cannot borrow money. We cannot borrow money and fix our lands with it and pay our workers with it. We can only create wealth from what we have, from what belongs to us. And if we're able to turn it around, then we'll be in control of our wealth for the rest of our lives. Our children will adapt from it. They will learn from it. They will come with more skills, and there will be more intel to expand our vision. I have a vision, and I see Ghana being transformed to the likes of Dubai, America, and most of these Western countries that our children are running to, just to stop them from running away, because they don't come back anymore. And I don't see why we should harness and invest in our children, educate them, and somebody imports the talents from us whilst we export the goods which they took the raw materials from us. It's a reverse cycle. And for that reason, the new force have come to give a fair share of our equity, a fair treatment of equality, and a fair way of treating building nation empowerment.
Abusuafo, samwate, sana nakwa meka se, eni kwan se, ye kobolo sika ansa na yesiesie yaman. Odi ye resource na ewo kuro no mu no. Odi be siesie yaman. Afi nso, afi, osema ye nkoton ye kokuro moti. Afi nso, ma ye mfa party enkoto aba na mmoa yan. Ye di party ato aba besi nne, momi enhwe Ghana yasetene mu. Momi enhwe Ghana krodue mu. Oman nyina ekọ omonim. Niema man eje na ye mfa ntoto Ghana ho. Minuanom wo ye president anasa wo ye governor na besi so. No ye ade ba ko na wo manfo ji utum ene nkyere se wo wie. E wo so okoso. Na ye niema kase ni ntie ye de si akonwa no so no. Na do wa ye ade HSS so hwanwan. education free wa ya ade nanso no enye no na no a ana enye no na no nko a moma ye mommodin na fi yemfa ye kokromoti ensi babia ehoye yemfa ensi babia wese ye disie na kwa me bedi akocheda utini din kura wose freedom yes obema Ghana freedom obema ye freedom minua no monswale me papa mo monswale me maame mo monswale ya wofa mo ya ante mo monswale na mumwa na munyina mo support na Ghana entimi mfa ne ntomapa emfra medamo ase ahaya Bronze Line Media unua ba prekope se enen first time anasa wo hwem nsokora mpo a na wo subscribe ya bomode na subscribe na fe like and bell button no miaso na me di bibi tu mantem na won saka menua no mesramo Ghana fo eya ni bresem ne ewo mu na kwa me bedi ako ya hwere no a ya hwere ade mo nyina mo support na niema bekoyi amaye beda mo ase mo ma baaye